going on, folks? Finally made it. LS Fest East 2023. We're over here in the trailer parking. Mike came down this morning. I believe Brandon and some of the other crew come down Thursday evening. I left, I guess, late morning, early afternoon today. Got held up in a big ass traffic jam getting here, but finally made it. Mike just made a run on the Autocross course. Unfortunately, I didn't get to see it or be there to help him. However, he's on his way back up here to give me my little crew member wristband, and let's get it started. Let's do LS Fest. What's up, folks? Here with the one and only Brandon Scheller. owner, operator of High Speed Lifestyle, and driver of this magnificent machine. Brandon, it's Friday.
It is Friday.
So far, you've already run at NCM and you've run here.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling?
Slick.
All right.
It's slick. I need tires.
Are you still on the same tires, or are these new tires?
Yeah.
So still on the same tires, 2-year-old tires.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Truck feeling good other than the lack of traction?
We're having some technical difficulties. It's wanting to stay locked in the second, and it's not giving me all the first gear, so I'm only getting to run about half the course in first, when really I should be running the whole course in first.
Right.
But other than that, truck's running great, feels strong. We've had a lot of fun today. We've learned a whole bunch more stuff. And yeah, it's been awesome, man. I'm ready for tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the big time, be my first time. Brandon and Mike's going to show me the ropes. Speaking of losing traction, if you haven't checked it out already, check out Breaking Traction Podcast.
Episode 2, guys.
Episode 2 is prep, talking about being here. The next one will be the recap of here. It's a coalition between Mike, myself, and Brandon on that. So be sure to check that out. Thanks, Brandon. We'll see you tomorrow, brother.
And again, if you don't choose to watch it, then f you.
Hell yeah. Mike, here we are, day 2. Yes, sir. Day 2, you made 3 runs? 4? 4? Never mind that GoPro that just fell down. What's your times been?
I ran a 47, a 46, a 44, and a 45.
And folks, I'll show you the timing board here in a minute. We'll watch a few passes. But that 45 to 42 range is pretty on point right here, so he's doing good. Carter, is the truck feeling good?
Feels pretty good. way better than the shootout.
Right, and pretty much just minor adjustments, new tires, and I think we're going to NCM next, and we'll get some more footage of the truck running there.
Yep, I think mostly the difference is the wing.
It has to be the wing. I do have video of the wing. You'll see the wing. All right, guys, day 2 LS Fest. We'll be back. Well, I know you'd rather be looking at the cars and watching racing than seeing me, but that's going to do it for this video. We got some more footage, so keep your eyes out. Maybe some more B-roll video or some more in-car footage, another video out. Like and subscribe. Check us out on the socials. It's @ShiftTrashMedia on Instagram and TikTok. Hope to see you next time.